Hi, welcome to my first ever screencast. I've downloaded my screen recorder tool and here we go. So what am I going to do? I think the first thing I'm going to do is to sign up for iTech 830 because I haven't actually officially enrolled yet. So let me see if I can figure out how to do that. I go into my login here, I think, and I go to SF Gateway. And you click on Student Classes. And I think that's in the Student Center section right there. And let's see what I am going to add. I am going to enroll in class. And what do you know? I already have iTech 830 already. It's asking for a class NBR. I'm not sure what that number is. Now, this add code that Professor Donahue gave me was 781524, which I will try. I'm going to copy that. And I am going to stick that in here. Paste. I'm going to have enter my NBR. Oop, the class number entered is not valid for this term. I'm not sure if that was the right code to put in or in the right place. So I could have made a mistake there, but we'll try proceeding to the next step. And, it's giving me the green light to enroll, design of learning. Okay, this is going to be my favorite class this semester. And I'm going to hit finish enrolling and already set. So let's try it. Finish enrolling. And this computer doesn't really seem... Oh! Error, unable to add a class. So it looks like the system requires permission that I did not have, or it did not like the add code which I tried to use. So tomorrow I will show up for class and see if I can add the class. Hopefully, I'll be a student soon. Thanks for listening, and good night.